When planning a renovation, most of us start with the walls, cabinets, paint colors, maybe a new layout. But one of the biggest changes in how a home feels and functions day to day comes from somewhere else entirely, above you. Let's take a look at 5 ways natural light from above can transform your home. First up, the kitchen. Kitchens are the heart of the home and can also be one of the hardest rooms to light well. Too dark in the morning, too glaring by afternoon. Often the issue isn't the amount of light, it's where the light is coming from. Here you can see how when daylight enters from above, it fills the room differently than light from a window. It reaches the center of the kitchen, lights up the island, and softens shadows. Concerned about too much light midday, skylights now come pre-installed with shades, giving you the option to control light throughout the day. And with venting skylights, cooking steam and odors naturally escape up and out, keeping your kitchen healthy and well ventilated. Next up, the bathroom. We'd all like to have a bright, calm bathroom, but in practice, this can be hard to achieve because privacy is always part of the equation. But when the light comes from above, privacy is built in. For example, if you were to close the curtains in this bathroom, you could still enjoy daylight from above or the stars at night while taking a bath. And with a pre-installed shade, you can soften and diffuse the light even further. Most homes have a hallway or another interior room without a window, and these spaces can feel dark and closed off. Bringing in natural light can completely change the mood in these in-between areas. Take this upstairs hallway, for example. Even when the lights are switched off, the space feels light and inviting thanks to soft diffused light coming from the two sun tunnels. One of the clever things about sun tunnel skylights is that they don't require a straight, unobstructed path from roof to ceiling. Instead, daylight channels through a reflective tube to a diffuser, so it gives you that nice soft light anywhere you'd like it. Living rooms benefit from light from above in many of the ways we've already talked about, but here the light really needs to be adaptable. That sunlight that feels perfect at 10 in the morning can wash out the TV or your computer screen in the afternoon. With a skylight, or three as we see here, and pre-installed solar shades, the room adapts throughout the day. It can be bright and open in the morning, soften for a workspace, or dim for movie night. The shades make it adaptable at the touch of a button. Perhaps you've seen the social media trend called house burping, essentially opening windows for 10 minutes to flush out stale air. The name might raise an eyebrow, but the idea resonates because it addresses something real. Modern homes are built tighter and better insulated than ever. That's great for efficiency, but the fresh air doesn't naturally move through the house the way it used to. A venting skylight helps solve this naturally. Warm, stale air rises and exits through the ceiling, drawing fresh air in from below. And with built-in rain sensors, the skylight automatically closes if the weather changes. When you start a renovation from the ceiling, you're not just changing a room, you're changing how the whole home feels. If you'd like to bring in more natural light and fresh air into your space, it's worth looking into what a skylight system can do and connecting with a local professional to see what's possible in your home.